Welcome to the Clean Right training series. In this video, we are going to cover in detail how to set up, operate, and maintain your new blue Kangaroo Packoutz edge machine. To get started, let's first look into the setup of the machine. Included in your set is your manual, a 25-foot solution hose, a 25-foot 1.5-inch vacuum hose, two 25-foot extension cords, your upholstery tool, as well as a drain elbow. Now, let's put this all together and see how to operate your new edge machine. Now, after we plugged our machine in and put water into your solution tank, we want to ensure that your machine is properly primed. First, let's make sure that your unloader valve is all the way open. To do this, we want you to locate your unloader valve. Your unloader valve is located at the back of your machine. Once you've located your unloader valve, turn it all the way counterclockwise or to the left until it stops spinning. Next, we want you to locate your priming nozzle. Your priming nozzle is located just in front of your dump valve. Next, with your priming nozzle still in hand, let's turn our machine back around. Using the included solution hose, we want to go ahead and plug one end into our machine. And then with the other end, we want to plug in our priming nozzle. Once both are secure, we want to ensure that they are secure. So we can do this by giving a tug on both our priming nozzle as well as the hose coming out of our machine. Next, we want to go ahead and turn on our pump. Once our pump is turned on, we want to see a steady flow of water coming from our priming nozzle. Once you see a consistent, steady flow coming from your nozzle, you know that your machine is properly primed. Now, let's look at how to properly heat our unit. To turn on the heater, simply flip the heater switch and the pump switch. Heating times can vary depending on water temperature and ambient temperature. You will know that your machine has reached maximum temperature when the red light has turned off. Now that we are ready with hot solution, let's get set up for operating the machine. Start by plugging your vacuum hose onto your vacuum lid. Then, plug your solution hose into the front of the unit. Once both hoses are connected, plug your vacuum hose and your solution hose into your upholstery tool. Now, we can set our pressure for cleaning. To do this, turn on the pump while pulling the trigger on your upholstery tool. Dial in to your desired pressure. Now, you can operate the machine and it is ready to use. At the end of your job, relieve the pressure in the unit by opening the unloader valve, turning it counterclockwise or left. Once your unloader valve is fully open, press on the trigger for your upholstery tool to relieve the pressure. Next, using your drain elbow, empty your waste tank by pulling on the dump valve lever. If your tool is having issues, likely it is because your machine isn't properly primed. Please refer back to the timestamp to get it primed. If your machine still isn't priming, this is because there is air in the lines. To fix this, we need to force prime the unit. To do this, hook up your solution hose with your priming nozzle attached. Then, place the end with the priming nozzle into your vacuum lid. Cuff your hand around the hose, sealing the hose in the lid. Turn on your vacuum and your pump, this will allow the vacuum to force prime your unit. This could be due to debris being on the bottom of the vacuum motors. To check this, we want to open our machine and locate our 2 vacuum motors. Using a 7/16 wrench and a nut driver, loosen the 3 nuts on each of the vacuums. After, clean all of the debris off the mesh screen that is located on the bottom of the vacuum. That was definitely a lot of information, but with the included manual, as well as this training video, you can feel confident using your Edge machine. If you have any questions, leave us a comment. Visit our social media pages in the description and our website at cleanrightmfg.com. Thank you guys for watching.